I get a little bit there, just a tiny one.
Oh, God.
Good.
What? I didn't expect it to go that much.
Right? One more time. Good.
Jeez. How do you like know? It's just so easy for you. Oh, all right. Oh, feels like your head is gonna just pop off. That's what it feels like. Oh, I do this all the time.
Got it.
All right.
2 for 2.
2 for 2.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel, good. I mean, the biggest one probably was the neck. But yeah, all right, I'm ready to go now.